Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are looking at MyBitcoin. MyBitcoin is on CoinGecko, listed a couple of hours ago. We can see a huge profit gain, 579%, and this token still go up. And I think there is a future because people like MyBitcoin. And let's see their website and what they exactly do. Earn free Bitcoin by only holding MyBTC. Okay, that means simply hold MyBTC tokens in your wallet and you'll earn free Bitcoin every transaction. Okay, 4% redistributed to MyBTC holders. So that means if someone buy or someone sell, you earn money on that transaction. That's quite nice. Next generation Bitcoin. I think, hey, no one else tried to do a new Bitcoin. Here are the guys who do it and believe in this project. Just give it a chance. We have here auto-paid Bitcoin also every 60 minutes. For the first time ever, you don't need to claim your earned Bitcoin. It's automatically sent to your wallet every 60 minutes. All you need is to add BTCB contract to your wallet. Nice. Anti-whale mechanism, that means inbuilt anti-dump and pump exit, sells larger than 0.1% of the total supply will be rejected. Also, every wallet can hold a maximum of 0.3% of the total supply. This allows us to reduce swing trading and break whales control. That's nice. Automatic liquidity, 4% liquidity pool. 4% of every transaction contributes towards automatically generating further liquidity on Pancakeswap. It helps create a price floor and benefiting long term for MyBTC holders the most. Secured by design, liquidity locked. Initial liquidity provided will be locked with debt block for more than 6 months. The contract will be audited by HashX and Certic ASAP. Community driven, that means team lead, community driven. We set up a marketing wallet, 5% of supply, to ensure our capability in supporting the team. Giveaways, airdrops, and marketing expenses in the upcoming months. And here is what BTC. It's a nice video. Just look on it on their website. Explain exactly what is MyBTC in a very short video. We have here the tokenomics. That means for what the tokens are used to. 49% locked liquidity. We have a pre-sale and launch. We have here a burn of 10.3% and giveaways and airdrops from 5%. Here you can see the contract. Just copy paste Pancakeswap and you can trade this token. Limited max supply. We have with a max supply of 1 billion, so we don't have a trillion or quadrillion. How many other projects are using it? I think this is enough for billion. And we have a locked liquidity, 35% is locked, pre-sale and launch, and 100% liquidity locked, meaning developers can't pull the liquidity out of MyBTC. Community driven fair launch, and we have 10% of every transaction is taken and redisturbed. 4% to MyBTC holders in Bitcoin. 4% liquidity and 2% to marketing to ensure our capability in supporting the team. How to buy BTC token. Here's again, they show it with MetaMask, Meta by mobile. That means if you have it on your smartphone, and on Trust Wallet. Me especially, I prefer MetaMask. It's very simple to use. If you try it 1-2 times, just have a little bit experience, then it's for you very easy to use. With everything else also. Bitcoin rewards. Okay, our partners to be announced. Okay. And what do we have here? Frequently asked questions. Here you can read question and answers, Q&A. So that's their website. It looks nice. It will be look more nicer if we have here some faces into the team. And maybe we will hear more from these guys in future. MyBTC token community on Telegram. You can visit them on Telegram. They have right now 4,169 members, and 671 are actually now online. Seems to be real. We have here also 828 followers on Twitter. It's also nice. I mean, it's a new project. You cannot expect wonders right now, right? But we have here much price gain. Let's see what the actual chart are doing. Let's look on PooCoin app. We can also look Dex Guru or whatever. I mean, this shitty name PooCoin app I just used because it's very correctly how they show the price. So copy paste the contract and you click on my Bitcoin, and then you have the actual price here. 0.0025. You can see, okay, it goes very well. You can see when it comes to be listed, it's a huge pump. That's normal. Then the first profit takers we have here. The little crybabies go out, take their money and go home. Then again, the one who see it goes down, again throw in their money and pump the price. That's quite nice. So I see here, I see this price goes easily next days up. Easily, we have here 100x. It could be possible if this community grow how it should grow, and maybe they show their faces also on their website. This will be also nice, and then there's nothing to stop this project, right? Give it a chance, try it, don't throw all your money inside. This is what I always tell people, and we will see maybe a next video of MyBTC. See you next time. Bye.